just shared a meal with a goat herder, and this is sweet potatoes I brought from Norway that I grew myself, and then there is some pork, and I started cooking it yesterday, but the potatoes didn't finish, so then I heated it up again in the morning, and then it's been standing in this one, and this one, when it's hot, it keeps the heat inside, because the walls are like this thick with yeah, this is a salad master. You can Google it if you want to. But anyway, so I heated it up, and then it's just been kept hot by the sun all day. So, great machine. I got dessert, I got the sunset, I got the waves, and I have an inner peace. I know it's Christmas, but I don't feel bad being here all alone without anybody else. It's quite nice, serene. Over there, we got all the other campers. I don't care. I'm over here by myself, and it's nice. A little Christmas present from my auntie. And oh, look at the cute one. We have some candles. No smell candles, but here's some candles. And then we have a little, it's a little notebook, like sticky notes. And in here we have some to and from Christmas cards. And then here we have this beautiful, with a little Christmas greeting. Yes, I will see you when I come back home. Then we have, underneath here we have even more. Little notebook. Oh, so cute. Thank you, Auntie. I love you. I am not celebrating Christmas alone, because the car is full of flies, and I've tried to get them out a couple of times, but they're just staying in here. So I guess I have company tonight. I closed up. It's even still light outside, but I'm closing up so I don't let all the heat go out. And then then we're gonna watch some TV, watch a film and enjoy ourselves. I was wondering if I'm gonna go see a waterfall today. we can't drive all the way down. It says no entry. I could try, but if it says no entry, I don't want to get stuck down there. So we just park here and then we walk. Google said it's about 15 minutes to walk, so that's 15 minutes downhill. And the problem is gonna be when I'm gonna go uphill again. I'm not looking forward to that. It's not been so bad that I can't drive here. It is there are some bumps in the road further up, but it's not as worse. It's not as bad as it is on the top there. And I might have to drive down here to get over to the other side to get out again, because I do not feel like driving the same way back. So there are gravel, but there are people who have been driving here, so I don't know if I should go all the way to the bottom and then have to go up again later to get the car, or if I should get the car now. They probably had four-wheel drive. I'm not lousy old two-wheel, front-wheel drive. But sometimes it's not about the car, it's about the driver. So if I just put it in first gear and then let it climb down by itself, I think it's gonna be fine. Because they've been driving down here, so... But I guess I have to see if it's... You know, if there are other places where it's been washed out. But I don't think so. We are at the bottom, and for now I haven't seen anything so bad that my car wouldn't be able to get over it. So I think I'm gonna go this way when I'm leaving, so no, maybe not. It doesn't seem like I will be able to drive over that bridge. We'll have to see. Is it wide enough for my little car? No, it doesn't seem like that's wide enough for my car. So I guess it wouldn't help people. Garbage! Some people should not be allowed out into nature. Oh, look at this cute little bridge. I think my car could fit here. Yeah, I think my car could drive over here. Actually, this is wide enough for a car. I don't know if I want to drive over here. Okay, I might not want to drive over here because yeah, I don't think we're gonna bother getting the car down here. So there are people in the river and some different water coming from the sides of the mountain. So I guess this is one of them. Cute. Supposed to be the trail to get to Neda waterfall. That's locked. So I guess we have to go to the other side and then we'll go along the river, maybe. Wait. Oops, yeah, I see. You know, you come to such a beautiful place. It is beautiful. Look at it. and then it's not accessible. Maybe because it's out of season, but also, you know, because there are not enough visitors, perhaps. So I guess it's pretty popular in summer. So we'll try. These are at least stairs. So we'll try this path and see where we end up. So you can walk through the forest or you can walk down here. Let's walk down here and see. Why? Guess you can enter the water here. I'm gonna bring some water back to the plants. Oh, look here! Irises! Oh, beautiful, beautiful irises! These are spring flowers in Norway. I should bring, if I ever go here again, I need to bring oh shit, spade. I need to bring a little spade so that I can dig up some plant bulbs and bring home with me. Oh, what a nice little trail. Look at the water. I'm not gonna go swim because it's probably frozen, icy cold. Oh, look here, that's nice. What is this? No water in this either. Too bad. I'm glad I brought my own water to drink. Guess the trail keeps going here, maybe? I think from here it's a little bit of a wild climb. Or is it supposed to go up and along this edge here? I think maybe it's supposed to go up and maybe go along the edge. Just behind there. I don't know. You see, here's the water coming out from this plastic pipe. I don't know. Oh, there's water there if I need to. Anyway, let's see if we can find a way to see the waterfall. It seems, with this amount of water in the river, it seems quite promising for, yeah, it's ice cold. Icy cold. But it's beautiful. So I guess we just have to find our own way through all of this. This is not working. There's no trail along the water like it was on the other side. So I think I'll head back and see if the trail that's in the forest is gonna bring me around all of this and to the point. Because I'm quite disappointed right now. I can't keep climbing here either. I don't want to fall in the water. So we're gonna head back and then see if we can find the waterfall. This one is not heading anywhere. This is where I came from. And here is someone's house where water probably just been running underneath. I'm hearing some people talking. It doesn't seem like I'm able to walk over to the waterfall. That's some shit ass crap. I really wanted to see it. Fuck. But this is quite nice. It's not waterfall though. I can see if I can climb along the mountain here. See if I find something up there. Oh, the bridge is back there. Parking is up there. So I guess you go down here and there you have a little nice pool to bathe in summer. I'm quite disappointed because you can't walk any further. So this is where it stops. And I'm just sitting here picking away on this schiefer. Like a little kid, as you see here. You can't build in this. It's dangerous, as you can see. It just falls apart. It's nice. It's fun to pick in. And then you have some solid here. This is solid. And then you have these sediments. So these are loose sediments. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's more like clay. That just has been sitting in layers and layers. Yes, I'm a little bit pissed because I drove for 2 hours from the beach up here because I wanted to see a waterfall, and then it's closed. Oh, at least I get some exercise. Shit. You see, I'm thinking if I could just get out there and walk along this side, should probably maybe. So down there's the bridge. Oh. And there were more people coming as I left. There's the bridge, and then the trail is going over there. It seems to be closed unless there's another one. But yeah, oh, I don't know, it might be another one that go higher up. But oh, there were people there, and I was thinking I'm gonna wash my hair. But they were there, and there's, like you see, there's no sun down by the riverbed. So I decided not to. Oh. Ooh. So I guess the waterfall is somewhere behind here. But you know what? I'm exhausted. I'm just gonna go back to the car. Brought some water with me, and I'm just gonna wash my hair outside the car. What's that? Can you see it? Some sort of structure. Anyway, that was that waterfall. Not necessary to go and see. Go to the other one I was at instead. Well, these roads were meant for donkeys and not for cars. I'm glad I have a small car. Google, what are you doing? So, I follow Google. So this is a town, and we're driving in the streets of the town. Let's just say that I am very glad that I have a small car. It's beautiful here. Water. Wait, I don't know if it's drinking water, but there's water. So I would say I don't think I'm gonna go to Neda Neda or city. And the shepherd that I was talking with yesterday, he is from this town. So yeah. It's beautiful though. Nice place. I might be really stupid right now, but there's only one way to find out. Fuck. I don't know if I want to do it. It's because I don't have a problem driving on the edge here, but I have a problem with the low branches. I think they are gonna get stuck to the car. So it worked! Ta-da! Let's just hope it was worth it. Let's hope there are nobody else here. It's just me, all alone. Na-na-na-na-na. Yes. Oh, look at this! Am I having the beach all by myself? I hope so. Get too deep into the sand and get myself stuck. I think I might did something stupid now. Oh, okay. Did I do something stupid? Maybe. Oh, it works. Oh, shit. Okay, so we're not going in here. Whoa. Really? I don't want to stay, so maybe we just stay behind this bush here. I could just stay here. Ta-da! I think this will be a nice spot to sleep tonight. Oh, it's getting cold. It's been 18 degrees, but now it's the sun has gone down, so now it's suddenly sunk until down to 11 degrees. And of course, it's a little bit more noisy waves here, but it's private. It doesn't seem like this is a place that many people will come, and that's good for me. It's about 14 degrees outside and clouded, so today we are doing video work, going through all my videos and putting them together so you can have something to watch later.